If you are planning to buy the best soundbar for yourself in 2026, then this video is going to be extremely helpful for you because in today's video I'm going to share a carefully selected list of the top best soundbars of 2026 which can give you a proper theater-like experience right here to your home. All the soundbars included in the list are best in their respective price segments and each one of them is capable of delivering an immersive cinematic sound experience. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. If you are looking for a home theater soundbar, this is a budget-friendly but still delivers a cinema-style surround experience, then Boat Avante Prime 5000D is definitely worth considering. This soundbar comes with cinematic Dolby audio. The biggest advantage of Dolby audio is that the sound does not feel flat or compressed. Instead, it creates a feeling that sound is coming from all around you. It delivers 500 watt RMS board signature sound, which is quite powerful for this price category. This is a proper 5.1 channel soundbar, and inside the box you get one wide subwoofer, two wide rear speakers. Thanks to the rear speakers, you get real surround sound, not just virtual effects. For bass lovers, the wide subwoofer produces deep, punchy and room-filling bass, perfect for movies and action scenes. Connectivity options are also very impressive. HDMI, ERC, optical aux, USB along with the Bluetooth version 5.3. You also get multiple EQ modes, movie, music and news. So you can easily customize the sound based on what you are watching. The current price of this soundbar is around 8,999. If your budget is around 9,000 to 10,000 and you want a true surround sound experience, then Boat Avante Prime 5000 is one of the best choice available. The best buying link is available in the description, you can check it out. And next soundbar is on our list is JBL Cinema SV271 soundbar. If you want a soundbar that offers brand trust, clean and refined sound and strong bass without a complicated setup, JBL Cinema SV271 is a very reliable and safe choice. This soundbar delivers 220 watt of powerful sound output. JBL is known worldwide for its clear vocals and punchy bass, and the same sound signature is present here as well. The biggest highlight of this soundbar is its wireless subwoofer. It also flexible placement and delivers deep, impactful bass without cluttering your space. This is a 2.1 channel home theater system and it supports Dolby Digital audio. Another very useful feature is the dedicated voice mode button. With just press on the remote, dialogues become clearer, louder and more front focused. Connectivity options include HDMI, ERC, optical input, Bluetooth connectivity. The price of this soundbar is around 9,999. The best buying link is available in the description, you can check it out. And next soundbar is Gobo Go Surround 975 soundbar. If you are looking for a soundbar that offers Dolby Atmos experience, powerful bass and modern sound tuning within a limited budget, then Gobo Go Surround 975 become a clear option. This is a 2.1.2 channel soundbar, which means it comes with up-firing speakers. These speakers throw sound upward and bounce it off the ceiling to create a Dolby Atmos height effect, making movies and OTT content feel much more immersive and cinematic. It delivers 400 watt peak output power along with 6.5-inch DSP enabled subwoofer, which produce deep, tight and controlled bass. Connectivity options included HDMI, ERC, optical aux, USB, Bluetooth version 5.3. You also get integrated control buttons on the soundbar itself. This soundbar is ideal for users who mostly watch movies, action scenes and OTT content. The price of Gobo Go Surround 975 is around 9,499. The best buying link is available in the description, you can check it out. Now next option is on our list is Zebronic Zebjuk Bar 9500WS Pro. If you want a soundbar that delivers proper theater like surround experience, then this is a very strong option. This is a Dolby 5.1 channel soundbar and it comes with two wireless rear satellite speakers. This means sound does not come only from the front but also from behind, creating a true surround sound effect. The total output power is 525 watts, which is loud, clear and easily fills medium to large rooms. Bass is handled by a dedicated 16.5 cm subwoofer, which adds punch and depth to explosions and background scores. Connectivity options included HDMI, ERC, optical aux, USB, Bluetooth version 5.3. This price of this soundbar is around 10,999. The best buying link is available in the description, you can check it out. Next soundbar option, Sony ST-S20R soundbar. If you want a real surround sound experience but do not want to stretch your budget too much, then Sony ST-S20R is a very smart choice. This is a real 5.1 channel home theater system with Dolby Digital support. It delivers 400 watt total output power, which is more than enough for a medium-sized living room. Sony's sound tuning focuses on clear vocals, balanced bass and natural sound reproduction, which makes dialogues easy to understand even at lower volumes. Connectivity options included Bluetooth, USB, HDMI, optical, The price of Sony ST-S20R is around 14,989. If your budget is around 15,000 and you want to upgrade from a basic 2.1 system to real surround sound, this is a best value for money option, and the best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. And the final premium option is LG S65TR soundbar. If you are looking for a powerful theater like surround sound, smart sound processing and premium performance, then LG S65TR is a very strong contender. This is a real 5.1 channel surround sound system with 600 watt output power. It supports Dolby Digital, which keeps dialogues clear and sound effects well balanced. It also features AI Sound Pro, which automatically detects what types of content you are watching and adjust the sound accordingly. If you own an LG Smart TV, you also get WOW interface support, allowing you to control sound modes directly from the TV screen. The price is LG S65TR is around 21,990. If your budget is around 22,000 and you want a powerful premium 5.1 system, this is a highly recommended option. The best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. So these were the top best soundbars of 2026. All of them are excellent in their own segments. You just need to choose the one that matches your usage, room size and sound preference. All the best buying links are available in the description. You can check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.